Hi, Prosperity Team. It's Dr. Money coming to you from the Prosperity Corner of the Universe, where silliness is sacred and nobody's perfect. I am your POP, your Professor of Prosperity, and I'm here so that all of our lives can pop with prosperity. We have all had periods of despair. They just come. Life is not always up. And so, in these periods of despair, what usually happens is at some point that we repair those times. The time passes and things get better. And I want to introduce a new word to you, and that word is respair. So, we have from despair to repair to respair. And respair is an old word that comes from the 14th century, and what it means is that there's a period of lightening up, a period of hope after a period of despair. So we can claim our respair. So this is our affirmation, and that is, I claim my respair. Right now, I claim my respair. So you can say it with me. I claim my respair. We claim our respair. So we're going to go from despair to repair to respair. I claim my respair. It's a great idea. Something very, very simple often can turn us around. Something unique, something different. But you know words have power. So here's a word for you, respair. Let's take a deep breath in. And as we breathe in our good. It's an invocation of our good. And as we exhale our intention that all other beings receive their good as well. Our burdens have lifted, our cares are few, our joy is unlimited, and I love you.